Salam sejahtera, my name is Sabrishan Pillay, card matrix 01DEE22F1116. Today I'm going to be talking about the eco-friendly methods of the system in power plants. The two methods I'm going to be talking about today is the flue gas desulfurization system FGD and electrostatic precipitators ESP. Okay, firstly, the flue gas desulfurization method. This is a process of removing the sulfur compounds from the exhaust emissions of fossil fuel. This is done through the addition of absorbents which can remove up to 95% of sulfur dioxide. Flue gas is then emitted material produced when fossil fuels such as coal, oil, natural gas or wood are burned with heat or power. The flue gas desulfurization method can be separated into two main categories. Ones through processes and regenerable processes. The ones through is also known as non-regenerable and is a process that utilizes the sorbent as a beneficial byproduct or disposes of it as waste. Next, the regenerable process release the sulfur dioxide to generate other products such as elemental sulfur HS5O4 or liquid sulfur dioxide. Okay, so this is the flue gas flow chart. So firstly, flue gas is transformed into the electrostatic precipitator. After that, it is then gone to become sulfur dioxide absorber, which is then treated to become the seawater treatment plant, which produces seawater, air and also treated seawater. From the sulfur dioxide absorber, it is then produced into the reheat equipment, which will then produce clean flue gas, which is then ends up at the stack. Moving on now to the electrostatic precipitator ESP. This is a piece of equipment that is used to capture dust particles that are formed or liberated by various industrial processes. The purpose of an ESP is to avoid this particle being expelled into the atmosphere where they can cause pollution. ESPs are installed at many types of industrial plants, but they are mostly easily identified at thermal power plants where they are installed as part of the flue gas cleaning system. So this is the flow chart of the ESP. So firstly, it starts from the flue gas, which is then produced into the dust collector, which is the electrostatic precipitator, which then goes into the dry ash, which produces silo from it. From the dust collector, it also goes to the FGD, which produces the clean flue gas, which finally ends up in the stack. So in conclusion, most fossil fuels contain some sulfur. When a fossil fuel is burned, the sulfur is released to the atmosphere via the process of combustion. Some coal may contain up to 4% sulfur, which is a significant amount considering that a coal power station may burn in excess of 5,000 tons of coal per day. As for ESP, the electrostatic can conclude as a filtration device that is used to remove fine particles, like smoke and fine dust from the flowing gas. It is the most commonly used device for air pollution control. They are used in industries like steel plants and thermal energy plants. That is all from me. Thank you very much.